Hey guys, it's Hamzeh with another crypto video. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today, another Solana update. Today, we see Solana at $132, okay? It is a dip for literally the last 3 days. It was a 144. Doesn't matter, we're DCAing, we're buying Solana every day. Today's topic is gonna be about tokenized stocks on Solana and why Solana is the cheaper chain for some transactions that are going on in the Coinbase network. All right, so let's check this tweet right here. Tokenized stocks are stealing the show. Now, what are tokenized stocks? Before I get into it, tokenized stocks are stocks, real lifetime stocks on the Solana network. So right now you can own some of the big stocks on the Solana network, right? You can have Netflix, you can have Meta, Hood, Coin, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, McDonald's, Nvidia, and they keep adding to this list. This came out in August, but it's really stealing the show right now because leverage traded has been added to these tokenized stocks. All right, and on Ondo Finance, we see that it has reached $140 million in total assets in tokenized stocks. That's incredible. All right, and don't forget that this is on the Solana network. Now, a lot of people were like, why would we own stocks on crypto? This is where you're wrong, my friend, because you can trade it 24 hours and you can literally own the stock whenever you want to. You're not under the control of Robinhood or whatever bank you're using, all right? All you have to do is have your wallet and you got access to your stocks 24/7 throughout your lifetime. Now, do not forget that with Robinhood, you own the stock, but Robinhood is responsible for your account. If you pass away or something happens to you or you get lost, like your phone gets lost and you can't remember, you can retrieve that. But if you do pass away, what happens with that? And it's the same thing with crypto, right? So if you pass away, like what happens to your password? But with crypto, these are yours forever, okay? With Robinhood, if you pass away or something happens to you, Robinhood will just take the stocks. I'm just saying, I am a big crypto guy. I like to own my stocks my own way. Robinhood, with the GameStop fiasco, controlled how much you buy and how much you sold. They halted the trade. I don't think you can halt that trade here. I'm not so sure. I just like everything on crypto because I feel like I own it and it's more decentralized that way. Anyways, flash that trade, right? You could swap, you can do perps, and you can do earn. Now, with this, you can leverage trade stocks, all right? 10, like I think it's 100x. You can 100x your stocks leverage, right? So if you want to buy like let's see right here from Solana to, you could swap your Solana to, let's just say, Tesla, right? Then after you buy the Tesla stock, you know, you can go to right here and you can long and short it with flash.trade. Now, a lot of people are degenerates and they will do that no problem. I don't long or short personally. I know a lot of people that do. And I know a lot of people that lost a lot of money. I know a lot of people that made a lot of money. Anyways, that's it with my update with the tokenized stocks. It is very interesting. I'll come up with a video how you can buy tokenized stocks on Phantom Wallet, on Flash.trade, and on Ondo Finance. Okay. Another thing that I want to update you about: X402 volume payment switched 95% on Base to 90% on Solana in the last 30 days. Machines don't care about your Coinbase partnership when Solana costs 100x cheaper per transactions. AI agents are doing 10,000 API calls. It's $1 on Solana versus $1 on Base. That means X402 payment initially launched on Base, but I don't care what the hype is. It's like Ethereum versus BSC back in 2020, right? If you launch a meme coin and the meme coin on Ethereum is gonna cost you $500 to $700 with coming up with a token and everything, versus BSC, which was gonna cost you $2 to $3, you're gonna come out on BSC. That's why we saw the hype with SafeMoon and all that when Binance Chain came out. Same thing with X402 payments with AI. Base is so much more expensive than Solana, so it would only make sense to have the AI agents switch over to Solana because of the fees. It doesn't make sense. If you can build something for $1, why would you pay $100? That is another thing that you need to pay attention to with the AI. I think there will be a lot of switches with the AI agents and virtual agents coming over to Solana because it will be cheaper for them, and that is literally more cost effective. It doesn't make sense to be on Base. All right, guys, you know I'm with Solana all the way. Bought some more yesterday, not today. Today is Saturday, December 6th. I didn't buy some today. Weekends I like to take off. Add to the Solana. We're gonna buy, stake, repeat until I become a Solana whale. It's your boy Hamzeh Al-Asfar. Thank you for watching this video, and assalamu alaikum.